Stop right now. If you have an Apple TV in your shopping cart, delete it immediately. Do not spend a single cent today. You are literally days away from making one of the worst tech investments of the entire year. The tech community is absolutely freaking out right now. Top secret Apple TV 2026 leaks just dropped. They expose a product so ridiculously powerful that it will make your current living room setup look like a total dinosaur. We are not talking about slightly faster menus here. We are not talking about a marginally better screensaver. We are talking about a complete home invasion by Apple. People constantly ask if they should buy the current Apple TV right now. The answer is absolutely not. Let me explain exactly why this upcoming device will change everything. According to trusted industry insiders, the physical hardware for the brand new Apple TV is already built. It is literally sitting in warehouses right now gathering dust. So why has Apple not released it yet? Because they are waiting for their ultimate weapon to be perfectly ready. I am talking about Apple Intelligence. Think about the current 2022 Apple TV for a second. It runs on an old A15 Bionic chip. It only has a measly 4 GB of RAM. That is far too weak to handle modern local AI processing. Apple is holding this new black box back until their massive next-generation Siri large language model is fully baked into tvOS. I want to be very clear about this new Siri. This is not the dumb Siri we all make fun of. You know, the one that sets the wrong timer or misunderstands simple questions. This is a highly advanced localized AI brain. It is designed to process natural language instantly. It will control your entire smart home flawlessly. And the best part? It does all of this without ever sending your private voice recordings out to the cloud. Everything stays securely right there in your living room. To make this massive localized processing happen, Apple is going all in on power. Reports note that Apple is cramming something insane inside this tiny box. They are reportedly using the powerful A17 Pro chip or potentially even the upcoming A18 chip. Alongside that, they are packing a massive 8 GB of RAM. Just let that sink in for a second. They are taking the exact same 3nm powerhouse from their flagship iPhones and dropping it straight into your living room. Honestly, it sounds too good to be true. But the supply chain evidence is stacking up really fast. This leads us to the absolute biggest rumor of all. We are looking at a secret Apple TV gaming console. Analysts have been tracking the 3nm chip yields closely. When you combine that raw desktop-level processing power with hardware-accelerated ray tracing, something huge happens. Apple is quietly building a Trojan horse to completely take over your gaming life. You will not just be streaming movies anymore. You will be playing massive high-budget AAA video games natively. You will play them right on your television. If you have ever played a big game like Resident Evil on an iPhone, you know the struggle. Thermal throttling ruins the experience after just 20 minutes. The phone gets too hot and slows down. But inside a TV box, things are completely different. There is no battery to overheat. There is massive thermal headroom. Imagine playing the latest big-name titles directly from a tiny black box. It does not overheat. It does not sound like a jet engine taking off. It could completely replace the need for a dedicated console if you are a casual gamer. I am genuinely curious about this. Are you guys actually going to use this for massive AAA gaming? Or are you just sticking to Netflix? Let me know down in the comments because I really want to know. How many of you want an Apple console? But raw power means absolutely nothing if your internet connection is lagging behind. You could have the fastest chip in the world in there. It simply would not matter if your stream is always buffering. The leaks pouring out right now reveal a brand new custom-built piece of silicon. It is called the N1 networking chip. This completely changes the game for the entire Apple ecosystem. We are talking about fully integrated Wi-Fi 7 inside the Apple TV. That means zero buffering ever. It means instant 8K streaming readiness. It also means ultra-low latency for competitive cloud gaming. Add in the new Bluetooth 6.0 technology. Your wireless controllers and AirPods are going to have a rock-solid, unbreakable connection. Insiders have been hinting at this major upgrade for months. This new N1 chip basically makes the Apple TV the fastest and most reliable smart home hub on the entire planet. Nothing else will even come close. Now, we have to talk about the one thing that drives absolutely every single person crazy. Losing that slippery little remote in the couch cushions. It happens to all of us. Apple is finally delivering the ultimate fix for this annoying problem. Supply chain reports strongly indicate a massive change for the new Siri Remote. It will include the exact same U2 ultra-wideband chip found in your iPhone. This means precision finding is finally coming to your TV remote. The next time your remote vanishes into the dark void of your living room, do not panic. You will just open the Find My app on your iPhone. A giant glowing arrow will appear on your screen. It will guide you exactly to where the remote is hiding. This feature alone is a massive quality of life upgrade. Tech fans have been begging for this since the very first Siri Remote launched. Multiple sources have verified similar rumblings regarding the internal layouts of the new remotes. It seems like a total lock at this point. So, let us add all of this up. We get flagship iPhone level chips. We get Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6.0. We get triple the gaming capabilities. We get an on-device Apple Intelligence Brain. We even get a remote we can never lose again. How much is this incredibly powerful machine going to cost? Prepare to have your mind completely blown. Top analysts are pointing to a completely disruptive starting price. They say it will cost just $99. Wait, really? How is that even mathematically possible for a company like Apple? Well, experts have pointed out that display tech is not an issue here. Apple is also keeping the exact same external black plastic design. This saves them millions of dollars on manufacturing and tooling costs. By reusing the old chassis, they can pack all the budget into those crazy internal specs. They can do this without raising the price for you. It is the classic Apple tax completely reversed. They are heavily subsidizing the hardware for a major reason. They want to completely obliterate Roku, Amazon Fire Stick, and Google TV. They want an Apple Intelligence Hub in every single living room on the planet. And at just $99, they are absolutely going to get it. Let us think about the broader implications of that price point. If Apple is willing to take a loss on the hardware, they are betting heavily on services. Apple Arcade is about to get a massive shot in the arm. This is a brilliant master plan. In my absolute best opinion, this 2026 Apple TV is going to be a total game changer for the tech industry. While we must ground ourselves in reality and remember these are just rumors until Apple officially unveils the product, the strategy makes perfect sense. Apple is finally treating the living room with the respect it deserves. By blending massive console-level gaming potential with top-tier smart home AI at a budget price, they are creating a must-buy device for literally everyone. It is no longer just a simple streaming box. It is the ultimate entertainment and command center for your entire home. If Apple truly nails the execution on this hardware and hits that price point, it will comfortably dominate the market for years to come. It might just be the smartest, most aggressive move the company has made in a long time. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video and hit the bell icon so you never miss another huge tech leak.